Okay guys, welcome back to another video with Straight Outta Content brought to you by Fresco Custom Transfers. As you guys can see, I am in my personal office. We are not actually in the podcast studio. As you guys can see, I got the contact behind me. I have Miss Lulu's Colorful World, my daughter, helping me film. It has just been, we usually podcast every week, every Thursday. So I had to put out something even though I don't feel good. If you guys don't know, our employee, Marianne, she had COVID last week. Yeah, she had COVID last week. And then as you guys can see in the thumbnail, Chelly had a couple of her teeth removed. She had a side, so normally all our molars face up, right? And then come down. So you open your mouth like this. Well, Chelly had a molar that was like this, sideways and pushing up against another tooth. So outside of me getting sick earlier in the week, today's Sunday, headed into Monday, July 11th, today's Sunday, July 10th, and I got sick around Tuesday, and then on top of that, everybody at the warehouse was on vacation. So normally we are able to, the logistics of picking up your guys' prints once they're done, once they're printed, so that we don't do everything from the warehouse is a lot smoother. But this week it was a tremendous thing trying to pick up everybody's, make sure that everybody's thing is correct when the main printers and everybody and stuff like that are on vacation, which, it's summertime, people go on vacations, and that's an amazing thing. So we're coming off of about a week long, if not a little longer, of Miss Marianne having COVID, and then vacation, people who man the printers, our team on vacation, and then me getting sick, and then Chelly having oral surgery. It went well, her surgery did go well. She still has a swollen jaw. She's not able to really speak like that well. That's why you haven't seen her on camera at all. So, and I even asked her, did she want to be in this video? She said that she did not want to be. So that's why I said, you know what, instead of trying to film over there, I tried to set everything up and film over there. I just decided to just set up in my office. This is where I make all the magic. This is where all the magic happens for Flash Custom Transfers as far as editing videos, creating content, stuff like that. It all happens right here on this little old school MacBook. I mean, we also got the Mac Studio over there, but I just wanted to let everybody know that we are healthy. Well, we are getting healthy. If you guys do not know, we're coming up on a year of myself when I almost passed away from COVID. So I take COVID very serious. I did take a COVID test last night. I tested negative with a home COVID test, but I'm still on a lot of medicine, a lot of home medicine, a lot of fluids. Chelly always says you need to eat better and stuff like that, so I'm just trying to do that. We tried to, excuse me, it's really late. We tried to do some activity to get out of the house. I got really nauseous after the activity, and then maybe I'll even show you guys a clip. I don't know if I can, but if I can, I'll show you guys a clip of the activity that we did. We had a lot of fun, but I got really nauseous after that, and came home and rested. Today we went to see a movie. I came home and rested again. After this video and after I edit it and put it out, we're gonna rest. I'm gonna rest again. But just wanted to let you guys know that if you notice, we haven't taken the sales off of the channel. Off of the website. We have not taken the 4th of July sale off. We just haven't had any time to just sit down and record and make content because both of us have been dealing with a lot of things, and we didn't want to be around a lot of people, especially me being sick, and then Chelly having her surgery. She's on medication 24/7, so she can't really drive because it was a really big, she had 2 teeth removed. And then 7 cavities fixed all at once. So 7 cavities fixed in her entire mouth, and then 2 molars removed. And one of them didn't want to come out. The tooth like this, it didn't want to come out. It took 30 minutes to get it out. So I don't know if you guys have ever seen a sideways tooth taken out, but as you can see, the tooth that's in the thumbnail, that's a different tooth. And then I think that's one on top the dentist removed, and then the bottom one, and then they fixed the cavity or the one that was like this. It was a lot of work, and like I said, and then plus 7 cavities she had fixed and filled and sealed and everything and stuff like that. So, and then on top of that, in between her resting, I'm trying to rest as well. So it's just been a crazy week. I just had to make this video just to let you guys know that, you know, we're not gonna take the sale down anytime soon. We're still processing your guys' orders. Thank you, Marianne. Marianne is healthy now, so now she's able to process a lot of orders while we kind of recover. So Monday is gonna be a big day, big week. We do have a lot of plans coming up to change some different sales. We will be coming up with a few different things. I know you guys, if you don't know, I have touched on free shipping. So we are definitely gearing up for that. I do the entire website. I'm the one who built it. I'm the one who changes everything. So once I have the energy to sit down, go through, talk to Chelly, actually talk to her, because it's very hard for her to communicate. So once I actually talk to her and she feels up to it and she's not loopy from the medications, then we can discuss what moves we want to make moving forward. So we got some big things in the works. We hope to be with a big company here soon. I don't want to say any spoilers or anything, but we are about to enter negotiations, I think tomorrow, with them to see what we both can do for each other. So I'm really excited about that. It would be a huge deal if we were able to be featured on their platform. So that's a big thing that we're gonna be working on. There's a lot of business going on behind the scenes. So guys, please bear with us as we try to really expand our business going into the second half of the year, now that we're past 6 months. So I don't wanna make this video too long. Hopefully it's still recording. My little helper left, so I can't see if the battery light is on, but just wanted to let you guys know that the reason why we haven't been recording, the reason why we haven't been uploading, because I've been sick, like I said, ever since I've had COVID. I am vaccinated and fully boosted. Am I still recording, sweetheart?
Yes.
Okay. Still vaccinated. You can go.
Okay, I was just making sure because you said it was
Right. No, I just wanted to make sure. But yeah, actually the booster, I didn't feel anything from the vaccination, but then the booster, I felt a little woozy after, which is, but after, spending 8 days in the hospital and almost not making it from COVID, I take sickness very serious. So, like I said, when Marianne got it, COVID again, my barber got it for the second time. So, like I said, I'm testing negative, but I am staying away from people, not really going out much outside for a few things that we did, and I'm staying medicated so we can stay strong for you guys. So if you guys have any questions about sales or anything, please email them. Please email them. We might be changing our phone soon, our business line soon, to a 1-800 number, but we still have to talk about that. So please, just want to make this video just to let you guys know that we are recovering from everything that we're doing. There's just a lot going on as far as business and health, because without health, we have nothing. So, and then Chelly's also going to be going on vacation soon. So actually, I just said something I shouldn't have said. So Chelly is going to be going on vacation. I cannot say where because it's a surprise. So yeah, anyway, but yeah, Chelly's going to be going on vacation. And then so when she goes on her vacation for her birthday, which is July 28th this year, I'm going to go on a mini vacation myself. So there's just a lot of things coming up, guys. So again, please, you can get your transfers at flashcustomtransfer.com. That's DTF transfers, direct to film transfers. And you can also get your sublimation sheets for $14.99 at flashcustomtransfers.com. The gang sheets, the DTF gang sheets are $19.99, but we still have the buy 4 get 1 free, and we have the buy 10 get 2 free sale going on. And you also know that we have stickers. Also, guys, check out you can't really see, but above this money one says Dream, and my daughter created these. These were actually old pictures. They weren't even blank canvases. These are old pictures that I spray painted white, and then I gave them to her in the garage, and I said, hey, listen, I kind of want like this really cool abstract themes. So she did it all. She painted them, she did the money. We went with Dream Money Power. So I figured I'd just show you guys that. And yeah, thank you guys for everything. Remember to hit that subscribe button. Please hit that notification bell, be notified for everything else. I know this isn't a podcast episode. My throat is actually hurting. I might go drink some tea and take some nighttime cold medicine and try to heal some more. So guys, please, health is everything. Health is really everything. Take your vitamins, take any type of medication that you believe in, and just stay healthy out there, please, because health is everything. We can't do this without our health. So thank you guys for everything. Be basic. Peace.